guys, I'm going to tell you one secret place where you'll find this khari biscuit.
No flaw at all. Each and every dish was mind blowing. Spent nice quality family time,
Yes.
and now we are out here to see the sunset. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, guys.
Where are we, Aruta?
This is Ash Says So, and we are back to Margaon, South Goa,
We are in South Goa. So
my home place.
yes, and absolutely fantastic. Roads and all are very good,
Yeah, well maintained.
well maintained.
Better than our smart city. Thank
Smart
you.
city, I don't know kabhi smart hogi, but it will get smarter. But yes, we are in Margao today, and plan is to take you to one restaurant. Keep watching this vlog, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Don't have to pay, free hai.
And
Yes.
give us all your love. That's all
Yes.
we need.
Yes, guys, we are so close to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for your support.
Yes, thank you, and see you soon. Continue watching this vlog till the end.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Margao, the heart of South Goa, is a vibrant mix of history and culture. And today, we are heading to a special spot, Vida. Let's check it out.
Hi.
Hi, so we are going to take my mom today to the restaurant.
Located near the well-known Bolche Circle on the Margao bypass. If you are heading from Panjim, keep an eye to your left. You won't miss it. Vida is all about spreading warmth and serving delicious food. A fantastic venture by Tato. The vibe here is incredible, with industrial-inspired interiors and sitting both upstairs and downstairs. It's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy quality time with your loved ones. How is the place?
Oh, it's awesome.
The ambience is very good, right? The interior and all. Okay. One of it. Yeah. Margao. I think Margao wanted this place. Vida.
Yes, and it's by Tato only, no?
Yeah, it's by Tato. Superb, very nice.
Tato is a well-known name in Goa, with several popular restaurants across both North and South Goa. Vida is their biggest venture yet, and it's exactly what Margao has been waiting for, bringing something fresh and exciting to the city's dining scene.
Stay tuned as we are ordering our food, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and like our vlogs. They've got a dedicated bar area serving up some stellar cocktails and mocktails. The sea foam was an absolute standout. The vibe's chill, the bartenders know their stuff, and the staff super warm and friendly, making you feel right at home before even you hit the table.
This time we switched things up from our usual rice plate and tried a few different dishes. Ayanch went for his all-time favorite popcorn chicken. We also had the golden fried squid, chicken in pesto sauce, and the Hong Kong style chicken. Oops, I missed out on my favorite chicken pasta. Hot, creamy, and packed with flavors you just can't resist. So what is that you're trying?
Hong Kong chicken.
Thumbs up from Ash Says So. And what about mom? Did you like it? Is it a thumbs up from you? Okay,
Thumbs up.
good.
Big thumbs up.
Nice.
I'm trying the squid fried, better fried.
Golden,
Some mayo.
golden fried, I think. Yeah.
Yes. Awesome.
Good.
10 on 10 for this place. Must visit. How is it?
It's very, I don't know what to say. It's creamy.
Creamy and
It's
Nice
in
and
your
hot.
mouth. Wonderful flavors, yeah. This is chicken in pesto sauce, I think.
Yeah.
Right? Very authentic, huh? I like it.
The sauce is too good, no?
Yes, amazing.
So guys, now I'm trying my all-time favorite popcorn chicken. Just amazing. I don't think there's a doubt.
Vida's upstairs sitting is a vibe, industrial style, airy, and super cozy. I'm sure you'll love the atmosphere and end up spending hours just having a memorable time. Finally came the happy ending, desserts. Aruta went straight for her favorite caramel pudding, Ayansh was all in for his chocolate brownie, and mom wanted to try her all-time favorite matka kulfi and asked for me. My plan was to sneak a bit of everything they ordered. How do you rate the sweet dishes now that you have ordered? You're saying you like all three.
Yeah, I like all three. 10 on 10
For
for caramel.
cream caramel. Okay.
Yeah. This is 9.5 on 10.
Okay.
Or maybe
Chocolate
10
brownie.
on 10 only.
And
And this is also, actually all three are 10 on 10. I liked all three.
so all three are getting first place.
And my brownies is 15 on 10.
What an amazing experience! Vida turned out to be the perfect lunch stop, and we are so glad we picked it.
Guys, today was grandma's and my day out.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. The place also was too cool and
It was
nice.
amazing.
How was the food?
Food was amazing.
And Aruta
Very
also
good
wants to say
service.
something, so
Oh, I loved everything. There was no flaw at all. Each and every dish was mind blowing.
Yeah.
Curry rice and other things like prawns fry also looked very tempting what other people had ordered.
this is like an exclusive place where you can consider it into a fine dining restaurant.
Yeah.
And so we thought of trying something new, something different. So I think a must visit place. All should come here and enjoy Vida.
Yeah, Vida by Tato.
I am now taking you to the secret place in Margao where you will find the longest khari biscuit you have ever seen. Guys, I am going to tell you one secret place where you will find this khari biscuit. Okay. बहुत रेअर आहे खंयच मेळना ही फक्त एक प्लेसीर मेळटा इन मारगांव विच आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू सो यू कॅन गो देअर अँड बाय दिस and you can buy it like it is 10 rupees per piece, but I generally buy like a kilo, so it will cost me around 170 for this entire package that I've got. I'll show it to you and I'll show you the place. How do we go there? Keep watching. This is Inox area, very well known. So Pizza Hut आपको दिख रहा है, okay, and then Goa courier service के नीचे से there is a basement, so you have to go down here. कौन सा बिस्किट बताना मुझे? कौन सा बिस्किट?
खारी बिस्किट
खारी वो चाहिए. कितने का मिलता है वो?
10 रुपए
10 रुपए एक ना. Kiran Cafe is where you'll find the longest khari biscuit. Trust me, it pairs perfectly with a hot cup of tea. One bite and you'll keep coming back for more. It was time to head back home after a wonderful day in South Goa. But not quite yet. We had a few more plans waiting. want to finish the vlog now? Your 2 cents for the audience. How was your entire day today?
Entire day was lovely. Spent nice quality family time.
Yes,
And now we are out here to see the sunset.
we are in Shirdon.
Beautiful sunset.
Yeah, again a very beautiful place. I have just shown you the sunset, and there are wonderful stalls which I love.
Yeah.
So I had roast omelette, and there is another shawarma food truck, which is owned by Sand and Sea restaurant owner Clemson. So he runs it. So I also got one shawarma for Ayansh, and that's it. We are ending our day today. It was a beautiful trip to Margao. Bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye grandma.
Bye.
See you in our next vlog.
Sure.
Bye Ayansh.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
You have school
I'm
tomorrow.
here with you only.
You have school tomorrow. That's why I'm saying bye to you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.